Delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete those annoying Instagram search suggestions when you start typing in the search bar. Let's clean up your Instagram experience and get into it. First things first, open up the Instagram app and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, tap on your profile at the bottom right and click on 3 horizontal bars. From there, go to your activity. Now scroll down until you find an option that says recent searches. From here, you can simply tap on clear all, which you can find at the top right corner of your recent searches section, and you'll get a pop-up asking if you're sure you want to clear your search history. Just tap clear all again to confirm. Now, if you want to stop Instagram from showing you suggestions in the future, again go to the 3 horizontal bars, scroll down until you find an option that says help and simply tap on it. Simply tap on report a problem and simply click on won't include and continue, or you can also include and continue as well. After you've done that, you need to simply explain your problem. Just type in the following and simply click on send, and that's it. That's how your search suggestion on Instagram should be gone by a day or two. It's always good to have a clean and organized app.